Let me show you how you guys can add echo on CapCut. So first you want to click on the video and right click on it and choose extract audio. Once the audio is extracted, click on the audio. From here you want to choose voice changer, and inside voice filter you can choose different kind of echo. You can choose mic echo, or you can scroll down and choose echo plus. There are different variations of echo. You can choose whichever echo you want. Once you click on it, it's going to be applied on your audio just like this. Hope you understand how to add echo. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.